Welcome to Heal and Awaken with Hattie. In this video, we'll explore how the spiritual energy field around the body, often known as the aura or energetic body, affects our health, our lives, and the world around us. It's important to remember that our energy, though invisible to the majority, is a deeply felt and powerful part of who we are. This subtle, living field surrounds and interweaves with the physical body, reflecting our emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual state. The spiritual energy is a living atmosphere that you carry with you, and it is multi-layered. The layers are etheric, emotional, mental, and spiritual, each connected to different aspects of your being. It is also vibrational, holding a unique frequency based on your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and level of consciousness. The energy field is responsive. It connects and interacts with your environment, people, places, nature, even with the collective emotions. The energy field is expressive. Your aura can speak before you do. People can feel when you're peaceful, joyful, or anxious, even without words. A healthy aura creates a kind of energetic boundary, while also allowing for connection and compassion when grounded. Your energy doesn't just affect you, it influences every space you enter and every person you encounter. A healthy energy is grounded and open-hearted. It uplifts others naturally, often without any effort, and creates a sense of safety, calm, and people feel good and inspired by those who radiate good energy. A healthy energy field also resonates as light in the collective consciousness. It's essential for all of us who are on the path of spiritual and personal awakening, and especially those who do any type of healing or care work, either personally or professionally. An imbalanced or unhealthy energy can be clouded by fear, resentment, depletion, and anger. This imbalance can unintentionally drain or disrupt the energy field of others. It makes everything feel heavy, tense, or negatively reactive. Others may absorb or amplify this collective negatively. It can also affect relationships, decisions, and physical health. When we become more awakened and aware through spiritual and personal growth, then we are naturally working to keep our energy field beautifully balanced. We can do this through aura cleansing meditations, energy healing, and other spiritual and growth practices, including intention setting, working in nature. This unified energy contributes to the collective field or the unified consciousness. Each person radiating peace and love is like a tuning fork, helping others rise into harmony. And likewise, unhealed pain or wrong thinking held unconsciously can ripple into the world. Your energy is your prayer. It's the silent message you send into the world every moment. Right now, the collective energy feels particularly heavy as we witness immense suffering and oppression in the world. Many of us feel anguished by the news and frustrated with those in power who seem unable to help or do enough to stop the suffering. If you're an empath or a sensitive soul, you may be feeling this collective pain even more intensely. The grief, fear, and overwhelm held in the global energy field can be difficult to carry, especially when you feel helpless in the face of it all. With this in mind, I've been consciously opening myself to receive and transmit greater divine light, extending the spiritual energy light outwards from my heart and soul to those who are suffering and to the masses of people feeling the weight of the darkness present right now. The message I keep receiving again and again is this: please don't feel powerless. Instead, make it a daily practice to welcome divine light into your heart. As you do, you are balancing your aura naturally, beaming your light wherever it's needed. When we do this together, or quietly, even unseen, we begin to weave a collective spiritual network, a web of love, peace, and divine light that transcends space and time. We are the light bringers, the soul rememberers. We recognize each other in spirit, even if we have never met in this life. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, powerless, fatigued, stressed, or even alone on your path, please remember you are not alone. There are many of us walking this same path, feeling what you're feeling, and holding the same longing to bring more light into our lives and into the world. And always the divine is with you, close, loving, ever present. It simply asks you to stay open-hearted, to receive, to keep receiving the light for your own healing and awakening, and to continue being a bearer of light for others. With this close to my heart, I'm offering one-to-one Heal and Awaken sessions via video call, a sacred space for energy healing supported by guided meditation. You'll also receive a personalized audio meditation intuitively created just for you. Each one-to-one session includes creative imagery exercises using a specially selected collection of my healing art, along with other powerful visual tools for meditation. We also work with the transformative practice of journaling and manifestation, supporting inner and outer shifts, and helping you reconnect with the deeper path of your soul journey. To learn more about booking the Heal and Awaken one-to-one sessions, you are invited to a free 15-minute chat via video call to see if this offering feels right for you. My contact email can be found on my YouTube welcome page, and I've also included it here in this video. Just simply email me and we'll arrange a time that is suitable. Lots of love, always, Patty.